Hello everyone. Today, we will focus on the key installation steps of the FS8-16 Channel NVR, specifically installing the wired hard drive and securely mounting the NVR onto the rack. This video will guide you through the operation step by step. When installing, please note to avoid the hard drive colliding with the NVR case and avoid squeezing and damaging the NVR cable. First, let's take a look at the installation accessories corresponding to the installation method. Before starting the installation, the above tools need to be prepared. Next, let's start the specific installation. Step 1. Install the wired hard drive. First, unscrew the 4 screws on the NVR, then remove the rear cover. Second, align the hard drive with the corresponding holes of the NVR and tighten the 4 screws on the bottom. Then, connect the power and data cable to the hard drive and connect the power and data cable to the NVR. It is necessary to ensure that the corresponding wire is plugged into the correct socket. After that, put on the rear cover and tighten the screws. Step 2. Install the NVR onto the rack. The rack is generally selected as a standard 19-inch one. First, install cage nuts on the rack. The cage nut needs to be installed from the inside of the rack to the outside, and align the tray mounting ears with the cabinet cage nut holes. Next, fix the tray to the rack with screws. Then, pull out the tray and place the NVR on it. Finally, push the tray back into the rack. After finishing above, plug in the power supply and network cable. Turn on the NVR switch. When the run and the net indicator lights on the left are constantly lit in blue, and the HD indicator light flashes twice and then goes out, it indicates that the NVR is ready and can be configured. Next, you can log into the web page and initialize the hard drive according to the following steps to ensure that it can smoothly record and save the surveillance video. First, use the FS management tool to find the NVR address. Please note that the computer IP address and NVR must be configured to the same network segment. Then click to access the web interface and enter the default username and password admin and update the password. Next, click Setup and Hard Disk to view the hard drive information. Finally, choose the hard disk and click Format to initialize the hard drive until the hard disk status is displayed as normal after refreshing. So, that's it for 8-16 Channel NVR installation. We'll get into more things you're interested in later on. Bye.